भारताच्या विमानतळ प्राधिकरणाचे अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर गुरुप्रसाद महापात्रा हांणी प्रवाशांच्या फायद्या खातीर विमानतळाच्या कामकाजाची पुराय कार्यक्षमतेत सुधारणा करपाक गोंय विमानतळार एओसीसीत काम करपी सगळ्यांक नव्या बऱ्या सुविधांची शुक्रारा उभारणी केल्या। येवपी काळात एओसीस विमानतळावयल्या ऑपरेशनांचो केंद्रबिंदू आसतलो म्हूण ह्या वेळार महापात्रा मिडिया कडेन उलयला। डेस्क गो खातीर दाबोळच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
To essentially see that because we have Goa is one of our major airports and we are planning a lot of activities in Goa to increase passenger comfort and passenger amenities. One major project that we are going to do is very soon start is another terminal building, because the current terminal building is handling around close to 7 million passengers per annum. Considering there is a space constraint, we think that we can add another 2 million passengers per annum capacity at Goa. So that work will be starting very soon, and approximately around 250 crores rupee money will be spent on that. The other major project that is already started is the creation of a parallel taxi track. That parallel taxi track essentially is to ensure that the aircraft do not occupy the runway for a longer time and evacuate the runway sooner. So that will help in adding more movements per hour. So more planes can land and take off once the parallel taxi track is completed. It was a great gesture by Navy to allow us that. We signed an MOU last year. Because of Goa elections, because of the code of conduct, there was some delay. But soon after the elections were over, we could sign it and then the work has started. But when do we complete it?
September 19.
September 19. September 19. So after once that is operationalized, we expect more number of aircraft to land and take off at this airport. So that will be an expenditure of around 150 crores. The other thing that we have started today is an airport operations control center, the AOCC, what we call. That's a facility more for the airlines. Also, it leads to better efficiency in management. We started another help desk today through a private agency. So that help desk will essentially help passengers with the various facilities available in the airport, guide them properly. Then then we are adding more aprons also, because more planes can land, more planes can get parked in the night. So these are some of the major facilities that we are planning in Goa. In the next 1 or 2 years, you will see a lot of these things have already will come up. Goa is a very important state, though it's a small state in size, but in terms of tourism, Goa is probably one of the most tourist traveled state in the country. So there will be another airport is also coming up. So Goa will have both North and South Goa. We will have two excellent airports, and bringing more passengers into, more tourists into the state, adding to the boosting the state's economy further, and also provide a boon for the state's own residents, connecting them to the rest of India.